Hey, what's up guys? You're watching Ride.Enduro. In this video, you're gonna witness some excellent Western Canadian single track riding. Man, this trail is tight, it's mossy, it's so loose in here. It's like riding in the friggin' snow. But damn was it fun trying to keep up with these guys. I had never ridden this trail before, so everything was totally new to me, and that's what made it so exciting to ride. I was pushing hard, and if you watch the end of the video, you'll see it damn near got the best of me. I still actually don't know how the hell I held on to it. If you're new to the channel, or if you really like this video, hit that like button, and go ahead and make yourself a subscriber. It's free, you know, eh?
This shit's gnarly. I like it. My fucking shoulder. Another tree branch snapped it off. Whoa. Impressed I hung on to that double tree slapper. Wow!
How's that?
That's a fun! Holy shit.
I was in first the whole time. Yeah.
Good ripping, boys. That felt good.